SVA is committed to promoting a positive health and safety environment to meet our zero harm aspirations. Zero harm to people, zero injuries to people, and a sustainable approach to the environment. When coming to work, it is important that you ask the question, am I fit for work? Things to consider include an injury being sustained outside of work, taking on a second job, consumption of drugs and alcohol, insufficient sleep, or personal issues causing stress. Coming to work fit, focused, and alert will help prevent accidents from occurring or impeding your judgment. Use safe systems of work when manual handling to prevent injury. Ask yourself, can this item be lifted by yourself? Should you get a co-worker to assist? Or do you require lifting aids or mechanical aids? Do you have the correct license or certificate for the activity you are being asked to do? At SVA, it is a requirement to hold a valid license or nationally recognised certificate to carry out such tasks as working at heights, confined space entry, operating forklifts, elevated working platforms, operating overhead cranes, and using rigging equipment to lift loads. All these high-risk activities must be initially undertaken with your supervisor's permission. If you are not qualified, then make your supervisor aware. Failure to do so could lead to a safety breach. Correct personal protective equipment should be worn whilst working or walking in the workshops or stores. For any tradesperson, this includes wearing high-vis clothing, safety boots, gloves, hearing protection, and safety glasses. High-vis uniforms will be issued to employees following successful completion of their probation period. Office staff who are walking in workshops or stores should wear enclosed footwear, safety glasses, and a high-vis vest at a minimum. In the event of an emergency, please assemble at the designated evacuation assemble points. Report to your supervisor at this point so you can be marked as safe. In the event of an injury, please report to your supervisor so you can be assessed and the appropriate measures taken. There are first aid officers in each workshop to assist as required. Please refer to signage in your area to see who they are. All workplace injuries that occur at SVA will be reported to the Health and Safety Officer for investigation so we can continue to improve our ongoing safety. When using SVA machinery and equipment, please be aware of out of service and danger tags. An out of service tag means the equipment has been flagged as having a problem and/or damaged. The item cannot be used until a qualified person has assessed the equipment and removes the tag. A danger tag is a personal lock device to isolate a piece of equipment or item. This tag can only be removed by the persons whose name appears on the tag. Ignoring this tag could result in an injury of the person working on the equipment. At SVA, we are all responsible for safety, so if you see a hazard or defect, it is important to report it to your supervisor or suggest improvements. SVA cares for the environment and asks you to play your part. We limit or eliminate emissions such as dust, smoke, fumes, and noise as much as possible so as not to disturb neighbouring habitats. We address any spills quickly using the spill kits around the workshop. We clean up after ourselves and utilise the waste disposal methods provided for substances and materials. Always report any environmental incidents or accidents so that we can address any issues and prevent problems in the future. It is a commitment to health and safety by SVA that no person shall be expected to perform any duties which they believe is unsafe or a risk to their or their workmates' health. Please talk to your supervisor, the Health and Safety Officer, or HR if you have any concerns. We look forward to having you on our team.